Gray electric motor right here, connected to this pump, and here's how it worked. It worked, as I said, automatically. Some of you maybe have checked out your bathroom toilet. It has a float. When the float is low, in this case, it automatically starts the electric motor. The motor will be pumping water. It will pump water, and as the float goes up and up and up, it keeps pumping until the float is up at the top, and then automatically shuts off.
And it goes and the water pump.
All right. The steam engine pulls up as in this photograph. Here's all the water. How are they going to get it into the tender? Well, the photo doesn't quite show, but out of sight is this big metal object called the standpipe. It's about yay big. Now here's where the railroad is smart. Wash your fingers there. Here's where the railroad was smart. They used gravity to get the water from here to there. So the fireman gets off the train, pulls the train, and a geyser of water comes pouring down. About 3,000 gallons. They are not going to let the engine run out of water. It held maybe 6, 10,000.
I seen them do something similar in Port Clinton, where Reading and Northern 2102 did the excursions on the Iron Horse rambles and stuff like that.
Ours no longer works. And actually, it wasn't originally here. It was over by the mall. My Chuck Taylor. And 1970, ancient history, people long before us moved it from the city. Vandals already took care of it with tanks. So this is our working from 1914 until the last steam engine, 1950. Never failed. General Electric would love to have it up in their museum. But no, it's part of our story. Good night. Now, we're going to reboard the train. We are going to return to the Museum station, and I'll fill you in on some things you can do next. So, if I were the conductor, remember he's the boss of the train, the conductor would call out, all